welcome back to my channel. Hi, it's today a new video. It's Friday, yes, and since we are finishing this bloody horrible year, I want to talk about a product that were the most amazing purchases of the year. So, this year I haven't purchased as much makeup as I usually do because it was kind of a sad year and I didn't want to splash out a lot of money. So, but I did some good purchases and I absolutely love them, and yes. Okay, so let's start from eyes. I always start my makeup with the eyes, so let's do this. So as you know, and if you watch my videos, you know my most loved is Painterly Pot for a primer. It's awesome, it's amazing, it's creamy, it cancels every single thing if it shows on your eyelids. It makes your eyeshadow pop and it looks gorgeous, honestly, and it's so easy to use. I use with a brush, I use with the fingers. Probably you can use it with the feet if you want. So for the eyeliner, this is my recent discovery. A couple weeks ago, I got this L'Oreal Matte Signature eyeliners. I got in 3 colors. It's white, pink, and brown. This is the shade Brown Signature. It's awesome. It's a felt tip liner. It looks like that. It's really pigmented. Dries very, very fast. I love the big handle, yeah, that you can actually do nice wing if you want. I am not a big wing gal. We all know that. I know that. Let's not talk about it. But it's really good. It's $8.99, I think. This is really good. Another eyeliner I had is called Eyeliner, and it was from LA Girls. LA Girl, I think. It was amazing. It's really good into your waterline. Oh, it would stay there all day long. Give it to my mum. Remember, I give things to my mum. So yeah, I need to repurchase that. But this one is good. It's cheap. It's small though. How much you get for it? Like really not much. Doesn't say, but it's really small, tiny little thing, but it's powerful. For the eyebrows, I love this Rival Define and Fill Cozy Brush eyebrow pen. I picked up at home when I went to visit my parents. It's not available in UK, I think. Maybe on Amazon, maybe on the internet, but I don't really saw anywhere. It's really creamy, like really pigmented. Can you see it? What is this shade? Its shade is Mocha. Has a lovely brush at the end, so you can brush them out. Yeah, it's very cheap though. I think it was about €3 or something like that. So yeah, if you can get your hands on it, get it. It's really, really good. Really, really good. And I have another one, but it's like very, 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 very thin pencil. So I love this one. That one is definitely the winner. For the mascara, I tried quite a few mascaras this year. I tried, I think, a new Lancome, I want to say. That was good. Something else I tried too. It was good. But no, this one is the winner of the year, and it's Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal. Yes, we love L'Oreal in here. It's awesome. I use it every single time I do my makeup. I love it. It's incredible. It doesn't smudge. It doesn't fall anywhere. It's just beautiful, and it makes your eyelashes so long and thick, and it just lifts them up, you know. Okay, I have two eyeshadow palettes that I used mostly this year. I had another one. It was a Anastasia Beverly Hills and Resi palette. Gave up to my mom. And what else? And Morphe, another one, and I gave that to my mom too. So I'm left with two palettes. And one of them is the recent one that I got a couple months ago, and it's Nikki Tutorials Beauty Bay palette. Oh, this is gorgeous. I mean, look at them colors. They are so beautiful and pigmented, and I cannot wait till the summer. I could use a bit more of the light shades. Amazing, very good value for your palette. Very good value for the money. Is that right? I think so. Never mind. Really good. £25 Beauty Bay. I think they still have some of them. I'm not really sure. It could be all sold out. But if you have it, you know what I'm saying. And then another one, the controversial one. It's a conspiracy palette. I know the drama, it was insane this year. We know, we heard it, we've been there. But the palette is incredible. I'm sorry, it's amazing. The yellow color, to be honest, not as good. Like, it's not as pigmented as I would love it to be. But any other shade, oh God, it's awesome actually. Look at this. What was that? That's Diet Coke. That's Diet Cola. I mean, seriously, it's a really nice palette. It's neutrals, it's brights, it's red. Come on, seriously. So yeah, it's incredible. It's a little bit more pricey. It's £56 I think I paid, but it will last you a long time. The pan size is amazing. The creaminess of the eyeshadow, amazing. A bit bulky, not gonna lie. You can't really travel with it, but if you don't really travel or don't take that much makeup when you travel, this is incredible. I definitely recommend this palette. Really, can do so many looks on it. It's amazing. With it, honestly, every time I film, my grandma just disappears. Okay, let's talk about the face now. For the face, I have the combination of two foundations that I use all the time, use today, use it every day. So it's Hourglass, what is it, Vanish Stick. I picked it up quite some time ago. It's looks like that. My shade, what's my shade? Bisque. My shade is Bisque. It's quite luxury. It's quite heavy though. It's like if you have it in your bag, you can use it as a weapon. I love this one. It's really good. It's really creamy. Blends out beautifully. You can use it on its own, or I use with a L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. I love this foundation. Using for years. And my shade is 2.N Vanilla. So love it. These two together. Dream come true, honestly. So yeah, it's kind of interesting that you use a high-end product with a drugstore product, and it works wonder. For concealer, this is the only concealer I purchased this year, and honestly, I cannot be happier. And it's Morphe concealer. I love it. I honestly can say I love it. Smells nice. My shade is C155. It's honestly, the applicator is good. It's creamy, it's blendable. It's just anything you want in the small tube for a concealer. Coverage is amazing. Yeah, cannot say anything. And it's cheap. Come on. Yeah, it's really lovely. I love it. Yeah, probably gonna use it until it's gonna run out. For a powder, I have two powders, but one is upstairs and I cannot be asked to go upstairs to get it. But that is Maybelline loose powder. It's amazing. It's really good. I enjoy that powder without shadow of doubt, like the whole time, and it's empty. And then there's another one is Laura Mercier translucent lucent powder. Everyone knows it, you know it, I know it. It's good, it's amazing, makes your skin blurred, makes your makeup just come together. See? See? Yeah, amazing powder. Don't really have anything else to say. You know it, you've heard it. It's great. Tour. My beloved NYX palette. I love this palette to death. Got it at the beginning of the year, and I swear to God, it's incredible. It has powders, it has lots of shades of contour. Incredible. I absolutely love this. It's creamy, it's easy to blend. It's, see how pigmented it is? And this is the last shade, this one. Don't need much though, by the way, because that's work. For a blush, only one blush. I am not a blush gal. Wasn't a blush gal. But until I found Catrice in my life. And this is Around the World Catrice blush. I absolutely love this blush. Name Berry, shade Berry, whatever it is. Very cheap. If you put your hands on it, get it. If you can get it, get it. Honestly, you will not regret it. It's amazing. It's cheap. It's blendable. It's pigmented. It makes your cheeks look rosy, lovely, natural color. Honestly, cannot tell enough. Okay, so I had quite a few highlighters this year. So Catrice was number one for quite some time. Natasha Denona was for number one quite some time. But then a couple months ago, I discovered something else. And it's Fenty Beauty in shade Diamond Bum. Oh yes, I got the mini one from the Superdrug, not the Superdrug, what is it? Boots. And come on, look at this sparkle. The sparkle is real, it's amazing, it's great. Great, and it's so buttery. But like, I literally are covered in glitter right now. Honestly, it's glittery actually. I kind of like it because it makes everything bring together, so it still shines like you can see on my face. It does shine, and I love it. I love it. Why not? This one was with a lip gloss. I think I paid £21, but honestly, worth every single penny. Really, 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 really good. So for the lips, oh my god. I love my lipsticks way too much, but I had to choose one. And the one that I chose, I'm pretty sure if you watch my videos, you've seen it, because I use the lipsticks from that brand every single time. And it's Matte Me NYX. NYX? No, it's Sleek, sorry. NYX. It's Matte Me Sleek. Oh my god. This lipstick is Sleek Matte Me range 2. And a Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk and Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk liner. Come on. This is everything. Charlotte Tilbury, the giveaway's still on for her. By the way, don't forget to enter. But honestly, incredible. So creamy, so beautiful. It's the perfect shade of nude. I swear to God, absolutely magical. And the Matte Me, well, I have to do a swatch too, because come on, look at that color. I mean, it stays on all day. I actually gave a couple away last year last year actually. I had a couple of different shades in this. And I gave away to my mum, to my best friend, to anyone I see. They are amazing. They stay, you can eat, you can chew, you can drink, you can do whatever you need to do, and it always stays there. So that is it for my makeup of 2020. I might do a fashion, or because I bought some clothes this year, or something, or like maybe technology of 2020 that I got. If you want me to do any of those, leave a comment below, like this video. Yeah, I am so grateful for all of your subscriptions. I cannot speak. For all of you who subscribe to my channel, I am really grateful. Thank you for the lovely comments. Thank you for entering into the giveaway. It's gonna be announced in 24th of December. It's next Thursday. Go on, rush, go enter. I'm gonna still upload on Sunday another video. I decided to upload Fridays and Sundays because it's kind of a bit easier during the week. I work and I don't really have much time to do it, so I decided Fridays, Sundays is the best time to upload. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Want you to actually, if you're gonna comment, please tell me your favorite makeup products of this year. Would love that. I would love to even actually try next year. So yeah, if you like it, subscribe it, like it, comment it, tell me your whatever you want to tell me, because I comment back usually. I love reading your comments. I love it. So I hope you're gonna have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye.